Namaste everyone. I am Pavan, lecturer in English. Welcome to Srihari Degree College English lecture. In this video, I am going to share you the detailed syllabus of degree 3rd semester. We have 5 units in the syllabus. The first 4 units are related to literature part and the 5th unit is related to functional English. The first 4 units are prose part, poetry part, short story and one act play. Let us discuss the lessons under each unit. We have first unit, prose part. Here the first lesson is Shyness My Shield, written by M.K. Gandhi. This is an essay. And the second lesson is Why People Really Love Technology, an interview with Genevieve Bell by Alex C. Madrigal. This is an interview by Alex C. Madrigal. Now we move to the next unit. This is the second unit about poetry part. In the poetry we have 2 lessons. The first lesson is about Once Upon a Time. So this was written by a Nigerian poet, Gabriel Okra. And the next poem is Digging, written by Seamus Heaney, an Irish poet. And we move to the next unit, that is the third unit, a short story. The first lesson is The Interpreter of Melodies, written by Indian American writer Jhumpa Lahiri. And the next lesson is The Beloved Charioteer, written by Shashi Deshpande, who was born and brought up in Karnataka, an Indian writer. So these are the 3 units. The 4th unit is one act play. So it is Kanya Sulkam. This was a Telugu translated drama. Basically it was written in Telugu by Gurjad Apparao Garu and later it was translated by C. Vijayasri and T. Vijay Kumar Garu. So these are the 4 units related to literature part. Next we are moving to functional English, that is the 5th unit. Here we have 4 topics. So each individual topic will get 5 marks in the examination point of view. The first concept is expansion of idea. So a proverb will be given to you, then you have to expand the proverb in your own words and you have to write a paragraph. The next one is report writing. So you have to report to the media by taking a concept. A concept will be given to you, then you have to write that concept in report form to the media. The next one is transformation of sentences. Here you have to transform a simple sentence into a compound sentence into a complex sentence. Basically this is a grammar part. The next one is note making. A paragraph will be given to you and you have to read the entire paragraph and you have to pick out the valid points and you have to make a note. For that you will be given 5 marks. So this is all about the syllabus of YVU University English degree 3rd semester. In the next video we will be discussing lessons in detail. Thank you then. See you in the next video.